Hi guys, Home Appliances Advisor presents what is Production Part Approval Process, PPAP. PPAP, pronounced P-PAP, is a design or manufacturing inspection process used to verify a supplier's or ability to reliably and repeatedly produce a part or set of parts for mass production. PPAP validates a production process by inspecting parts before, during, and after a production run. The PPAP report reviews 18 requirements such as design records, authorized engineering changes, engineering approval, dimensional results, control plan, and more. PPAP is part of the 5 core tools for effective quality management, with APQP, FMEA, MSAp, and SPC being the other core tools. If you want to know about all core tools in Hindi, please watch our uploaded video. Thank you for watching video. Please like, subscribe, comments and share. Prepared by Mohan Chandra Papane.